Poet on Fire here with Mother Nature. Dark green pines with a shade of brown. Rays from the golden sun shines as the snow melts down. From the mountaintops into the sunken valley, red rocks that are chipped away have fallen down to separate the tracks from the alley. An eagle soared across the sky as cattlemen used their horses to round up steers as we passed by. The borderline from the sky is blue with white clouds. As we round the corner, the sound of the whistle gets loud. People gather at the window to look in small crowds, looking at what Mother Nature has created, a country that's beautiful and never be traded.